concept here is multiplication of two matrices. Okay, multiplication of two matrices is possible only when if the number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. That is, if A is a matrix of order m cross p, then B is a matrix of order p cross n, then multiplication of A and B is a matrix obtained by, that is of order, that is m cross n, by multiplying and adding the respective ith row of first matrix and jth column of second matrix. Okay, that is in general. I take one example. If A matrix having 1 and 4 elements, the matrix of order is 1 cross 2 because of 1 row and 2 column. B is a matrix of order 2 cross 1, that is 2 rows and 1 column. Then matrix multiplication is possible because of the number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then matrix multiplication, after multiplication, the matrix of order 1 cross 1. After multiplication of order 1 cross 1, A is a matrix of order 1 cross 2, B is a matrix of order 2 cross 1. Just matrix multiplication is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Matrix multiplication pass up to that. That is first row, first column has 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1. 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1, respective ith row, respective jth column. Okay, if you multiply and add in the similar elements. Next here is next row possibilities. Next row next column possibility next row next column possibility only one row one row, one column, that is 1 plus 1 order. That is 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Okay, next after simplification, 1 into 2 is 4 into 1 is 4, that is 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is the only element in the matrix. Matrix of order 1 cross 1, that is AB is a matrix of order 1 cross 1. But please remember, if a multiplication of two matrices is possible only when the number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Properties of addition and multiplication of a matrices. If A, B, C are any three matrices, then addition and multiplication. Addition property is first property, commutative property. Commutative property holds for addition. A plus B is always equal to B plus A if A and B are any order. Okay, in similar, matrix multiplication order, that is AB is not equal to BA. Means matrix multiplication is not commutative. Whenever if A and B are any two matrices of order same order or similar order, if AB is not equal to BA, whenever the commutative property for matrices is holds only for if A and B are diagonal matrices. Diagonal matrix iddar matra and the commutative property holds for the matrix multiplication. Next here is associative property. Associative property for addition is also holds, that is A plus B plus C is A plus of B plus. In similar, commutative associative property for multiplication also holds, that is AB into C is A into BC. Next here is existence of identity. Okay, existence of identity, as you know already, A plus 0 is 0 plus A is A, where 0 indicates 0 matrix, A indicates any matrix of order n. Okay, in similar, for multiplication A into I is equal to I into A is equal to A, if A is any matrix of order n, where I indicates there is the identity matrix of order generally n. Existence of universe, that is A plus of minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to 0, where minus A indicates negative of a matrix A. That is minus A indicates negative of a matrix A, or it is also called, that is inverse element of matrix A. Inverse of a matrix A and 0 is called 0 matrix of order n. Okay, and similarly matrix multiplication, AB is equal to BA is equal to I, where I indicates identity matrix, where A is called B inverse, B is called A inverse, or inverse of a respective matrices. Okay, according to the addition and multiplication, some distributive laws are for your syllabus. There is two distributive laws, that is left distributive law and the right distributive law. The right distributive law is that A plus B into C is AC plus BC. Left distributive law tell that A into B plus C is AB plus AC. Okay, these elementary properties are important for your point point of examination. Okay, please remember this.